Okay, so a little update on those PatioGem seed starter kits. So far, so good. They've been here for 5 days. These I have had over in a windowsill, but I did move them over here just for the video. So over here, you can tell that I'm starting to get a lot of little sprouts. Look at my cucumbers. They're looking great. Looking over here, you can see that the ones with the lights, it does create a greenhouse effect because you can see all of the humidification in there. And I'm also starting to get some sprouts. You can see it in this one. But what I will say about these were the light. Okay, my husband just decided to throw this duck head in there. Let's just pretend like that didn't happen. Anyway, on these ones, you can tell if you look up close that there is some mold growing, which I've had happen before on my seed starter kits. But what's really nice is that over here, on the ones where the light has been on, absolutely no mold on any of those three. So I think the heat, I would assume, keeps that from happening. But I don't really know. Anyway, so far so good. I think at this point, obviously we know that it is going to work without the light, but because we are starting to grow mold in there, I'm gonna turn those lights on because I don't want all these plants to die. So that's where we are. I think this is a success so far, and I'll update you again in a couple days. And look at those bell pepper plants now. It's July 22nd and they're huge. You'll notice that there's a couple that are smaller than our big ones because we had a really nasty storm come through at one point in time when they were small and knocked some of them over. So I actually incubated some more inside later with the seed starter kits. And these are just flourishing in these little raised beds that I have behind our house. We've gotten so many bell peppers off these things. I'd say we've probably already got 40 this season. So it's looking really good. And then over here, we've got our jalapeno pepper plants. Back there, we've got our bell pepper plants. And all those were started by those seeds. They're doing great. I'm super impressed. And then over here is our cucumber plants, which are also doing really well. And with these, I started half of them inside with seeds and half of them outside. And I did that so that we would get cucumbers earlier from the seeds I put out first. And then we would get cucumbers later from the seeds I actually sowed into the ground. That way we don't get all of our cucumbers in at once. And we've been getting tons of cucumbers. It's been great. And look at this garden here. This is my raised bed that James built me behind our garage. And these are the tomato plants that were all started in my seed starter kits inside. It's July 1st and they are flourishing. I already got a few ripe tomatoes off them today. But if you look up closely, there are tons of tomatoes that are coming in. There's 19 tomato plants in this raised bed back here. And I'm just so proud. It's amazing to think that every single one of these plants was started indoors as a little tiny seed. And now here they are, gosh, probably 6 feet tall. I'm 5'8" and they're taller than me. So anyway, the seed starter kits are great. And here we are on July 22nd. My tomato plants actually got so big that they all started to wilt out over and above the tomato cages because this is where the tomato cage ends. So I put some posts in the ground, attached some bamboo to them, and then kind of attached them up a little bit. But we're getting so many tomatoes off of these plants. We're getting a pretty decent sized bowl every day of fresh tomatoes. So we're eating a lot of them. And then here in a couple of weeks when the big influx comes in, we'll be canning all kinds of stuff. But anyway, ooh, let's start the day off right. I'm going to eat one of these. So anyway, these are awesome. We love the seed starter kits. They've been great. It helped me to really jumpstart my garden and get my produce in a lot earlier than I normally would if I started my seeds outside. So if you need seed starter kits, you obviously know which ones to buy because these ones are awesome. And my garden is flourishing. All right, so happy gardening season, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a good day.